Hi, if you have a website and you are looking to track your website traffic, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going through how you can install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. So, if you have a WordPress website, simply go to your WordPress plugin section and hit Add New. We are going to install one plugin to configure Google Analytics on our WordPress website. Simply write, simply type header and footer, and you can install this plugin WP Code having 1 million active installations. And you can see that as well that this plugin has compatible with your current version of your WordPress website. And this plugin has last updated on 3 weeks ago. Simply hit install now. When you install this plugin, simply hit active to activate this plugin on your WordPress website. Similarly, on the other hand, simply go to this URL analytics.google.com. When you enter this URL on a search bar, you will redirect to this kind of page. First, you have to create your Google Analytics account. I'm going to show you how you can create Google Analytics account from scratch. So if you have a WordPress website, simply add your WordPress website name as your account name as it is a required field. Scroll down a little bit and you can check all these options and hit next. Here we will create a property. We can create as much property inside our account as well. So for this website, we will create its dedicated property. Simply click, simply write Digisol 360. You will add your own website name as your property name, and you can add your account name as a brand name as well. So in your brand name, you have multiple websites. So you can add as much website's name as your property name. So for the sake of this example, I'm using Digisol 360 Limited as my property name. You can change the reporting time zone as well, as this website is targeting UK audience, as this is my brand UK domain. So I'm basically targeting the United Kingdom time and the currency is in pounds as well. This is really important option. Simply click on this advanced option and you have to activate this option as well. Here you have to enter your website URL and you have to integrate two things. You have to integrate Google Analytics 4 along with Universal Analytics property. Majority of the website owners are still using Universal Analytics, which will be discontinued in 2023. But we will still use both, we will integrate both of these on our website. So you have to check on this option. Simply click on next and you will check these options depending upon your business size and how you can intend to use Google Analytics. For the sake of this video, I will select all these options and simply hit create. And for the sake of creating account from first time, this pop-up will shown up for terms and condition. You have to just scroll down at the bottom of this terms and condition, check this option and just hit I accept. When you hit that I accept that property will create. Now, what we have to do is we have to go to our tag installation instructions and we have to install that Google Analytics tag manually on our website. So simply go to install manually and just copy paste this code. What we have to do is we have to install this code on the header of our WordPress website. So we have already selected this code as well. Simply go to the plugin section of your website and here you will find plugin which you basically recently activated on your website. Simply click on code snippets and just click on header and footer. Here you will see that we need to add this code in the header of our website. So you need to navigate to the header section of your code settings and simply paste this code and just click save settings. Once you click the save setting, now you will be able to see that the Google Analytics will start tracking your website traffic. How you can see that? I simply click on the Universal Analytics property and I just click on all websites data. Here you will be able to see that the Google Analytics will start tracking our website. In this way, you will be able to track each pages of your website on Google Analytics. Hope this video will help you to configure Google Analytics on your WordPress website. If you find this video useful, please hit bell icon and like this button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.